Hi! Do you want to get rid of Poa Annua seeds, other weed seeds, and start fresh with a clean lawn? This comes at a cost, namely time and patience. But if you do it smartly, you won't have headaches later on dealing with these weed problems. Well, today I'm going to start a process called fake seeding. It's an effective trick but very little known. Basically, fake seeding means tricking the weed seeds as well as Poa Annua seeds into germinating so that you can then destroy them and later do a clean seeding. I invite you to stay until the end to see which version of fake seeding I use and whether it can really help you as well. I'm aware that using a total herbicide is a big sacrifice, but it's the only way I can reduce, if not eliminate, the weed and Poa Annua seeds by doing this fake seeding. 2 days before, I mow the lawn. Now, I apply total herbicide together with a teaspoon of dish soap, which will act as an adjuvant. Here we are today, 4 days after applying the herbicide, and the first signs are already starting to show. Basically today I'll start the fake seeding process, which means I'll mow short down to 3 centimeters and then I'll set the irrigation system to run daily in the morning and evening. This time I'll also irrigate in the evening because these are the conditions in which Poa Annua and other weeds develop. They need moisture, and the humidity during the night can allow some Poa Annua and weed seeds to germinate. Even if it causes fungi that aren't beneficial, it might attack Poa Annua. So that would be an extra help. We'll see in 10 days. Here we are, 2 weeks after applying the total herbicide and 10 days after the last update in which I mowed very short. I want to tell you that we have results for the fake seeding. Poa Annua has germinated. The places where it has germinated are scattered, but I want to say that for the most part in the areas where I knew it had been present in the past, a few seeds have germinated again now. This only means one good thing. The fake seeding has done its job and it works. I chose this method because my soil is not compacted, it's not soil with heavy traffic, but you can still do fake seeding even if you run a tiller over the old crop or over untilled soil. Similarly, you can irrigate for 2 weeks so that the weeds sprout, and then after they emerge, you can apply another round of total herbicide. That's exactly what I'll be doing myself this afternoon. I'll apply another round of total herbicide to eliminate those that have germinated. Also, because of irrigating at night, of course, I've ended up with some fungi too. That's one more measure to combat Poa Annua. Fake seeding isn't complicated, but it can make a huge difference between having a lawn full of weeds and one without, which would otherwise give you headaches for months until you manage to get rid of them. It's not a magic method, but it's a smart way to at least partially get rid of certain weeds. If you also found this method useful, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments if you'll try it out or which version of fake seeding you'll use, whether it's this one like I did or total herbicide application, then tilling, followed by irrigation to see if more weeds sprout, or if you have uncultivated land, total herbicide application and then tilling, so that with subsequent irrigation more weed seeds will germinate and you can eliminate them later. Next, in the following video, you'll see how I'll work this area using a method I've been applying for 4 years now with excellent results, namely a surface treatment. But that's coming up in the next video. See you!